After 2 weeks of strenuous study, wherein we had a full syllabus, pathology exam, microbiology exam, and a pharmacology quiz, and also the FSM department did not leave us at peace, I am dead tired, and now I need a break. So here it's me preparing a to do list for 5th February, that is Saturday.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken.
It's Friday evening now, and I'm heading to purchase the idol of Saraswati Ma that we'll be using for the puja tomorrow, and it's raining heavily. Morning. Happy Saraswati Puja. Ready, dressed up in yellow, and now I'll go upstairs, help my mom. So let's go. Puja is done, and I'll be cutting the vegetables and helping my mom to cook today's meal. So let's go. Puja done. Cooking done. I'm going to purchase watercolors.
इसका भी चीज़ खत्म हो गया है, सब चलाते हैं ग्लास में जाकर खत्म। Hey, so this was one of the festive days in the life of medical student. However busy we might be, we do take out time. And yeah, this was how my Saraswati Puja was, one of the fun-filled days of my life.